You're welcome to Math Easy Peasy, and in today's class we shall be exploring the topic highest common factor. Now, what is the highest common factor, or HCF, of two numbers? The HCF of two or more numbers is the largest number that can divide these two numbers exactly. That is, the largest number that can divide two numbers or more numbers without a remainder. Now, let's go straight into solving the first question on the board so that we can gain better understanding. And the first question reads, find the highest common factor of 16 and 24. Find the highest common factor of 16 and 24. So we shall be using the tabular method to look for the highest common factor of 16 and 24. Let's go straight to our solution. We draw a table. 16, then the second number, which is what? 24. Now we'll be breaking them down using prime numbers. Now, because the two numbers we have on the board are even numbers, we're going to start with a prime number 2. When we use 2, we have 8 and we have 12. We can still go with 2. We use 2, we have 4, we have 6. Now, 2 can still divide both. We use 2, we have 2, we have 3. Now we discover that there's no number that can divide both numbers again without a remainder. So we state it clearly that therefore HCF of 16 and 24 will be equal to 2, the first 2 times 2 times the other 2, which is the same thing as what? 8. That is the HCF. Now, remember, when you're looking for HCF, the prime number you're using must be able to divide through the two numbers or the three numbers that are given to you. So, if the number cannot divide through, you are not permitted to use that what? Number. So, we are expected to divide through with the prime numbers that we are using. That means the factor which we are using to divide through must be able to go through both numbers. Not like the LCM, when the factor can only divide one and it's acceptable. But in HCF, the rule states that whatever must divide the first must also be able to divide the second. That is what we have here. 2 was able to go into both of them, and the other numbers, 2 was able to go into both of them also. And the third stage, 2 was able to go into both of them. We got to the fourth stage, we discovered that 2 can only divide this and can't divide this. So that is the end of our factorization. With that, we have come to the end of our question. That is our answer. So maths is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, domino pizza. See you in my next class. Do well to subscribe. Click the notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video.